Oh, hey there. Thanks for showing up. Today I'm going to be opening up Medusa's makeup box. And this runs $16.95 and usually includes about 3 to 4 full-size beauty items. And it is vegan and cruelty-free. So opening up the box smells almost like cucumber. It's a very nice smell if you like cucumbers. If you don't, sorry for you. First thing is always the card that they have included, and it tells you what's included this month, and way at the very bottom it gives you the price. And then at the back is all their social media information. It's another card in here for Lovebird. I don't know what Lovebird is. Maybe they're starting a new company. Who knows? First thing I see is a cucumber facial toner, and this has got to be the smell I'm talking about. And this runs $12.95. Are you supposed to spray a toner? I thought a toner was just like a dab, dab, dab. It's a spray bottle, so I guess you're supposed to spray it. I'm so confused. Oop. Maybe. Oh! Wow. Yeah, that cucumber smell is like a lot. Oh, whoa. I went way too much. Oh my word. I would say I like the toner. I'm not sure about the smell. Obviously, I went overboard with the spray bottle. But yeah, gives me a little bit of moisture back in my skin, so this is a good one. I'm okay with the facial toner. Next up, I have Medusa'S Eye Dust. And this is in the color Comet. And this runs $8, which seems a bit much. But from my last experience, the eye dust was like really bright. Oh wow, there it is. That is the color Comet. Alright, and this is the color on my eyes. It's like a sea foam green almost. Like, I thought it was blue to start off with, but it's like a seafoam green. Really pretty color, very vibrant, very dusty. I guess that's why they call it an eye dust. It is a witch lash. Witch. I like the packaging. The bright pink just makes me so happy. Every time I see it, I'm just like, hey. And this runs $12. Oh, wow. Even better. Still going on with the pink, so that's what's in the case. Better not be a pink mascara. Oh, no, it's black. Good. That's the wand, and this is what it looks like on my eyes. I've tried better, honestly. The wand is way too thick for my lower lashes. You just have to be like super careful. Like, I barely have lower lashes, so any wand is too thick, but I have tried better. I'll put a little dotty up there with videos where I've had better luck with mascara. But I mean, it gets the job done. I'm not gonna say it didn't do it. It just didn't do it as well as I would have liked. That's all. Last in the box, I have a Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. This is in the color Hot Stuff. And this runs $11.95. Seems a bit much for a lip gloss. That's okay. That's why I have these channels, so I could try it out and see if it's worth the price. So that's the color Hot Stuff. Oh, that doesn't look bad. It's like a little bit of a plum color. Look, it says sparkle. It's not very bright. Is this me? I mean, it's there. You can see it, like, it's definitely there. I just expected it to, like, I don't know, sparkle. Yeah, it says Extreme Sparkle. I mean, it goes on really nice. The smell is interesting. It's very subtle, like one of those unscented lip balms. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know how I feel about this box. Usually they blow me away. I'm just like, okay, yeah, I guess not. That was March's unboxing of Medusa's Makeup. I spent $16.95 and I got $44.90 worth of stuff. If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll leave a link down below. And as you can see behind me, I still have a lot more boxes to open up. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.